All right, friends, go ahead and grab your alphabet tracing book, and I want you to turn to the very first page. You should see capital A. Right there, we don't even have to go searching for it too far. So, we are going to trace capital A today. Make sure that you are sitting down and you have a pencil. If I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video where you need to stop and then push play to catch back up, okay? Alrighty, for capital A, we're going to do a diagonal line down, and then we're going to walk across the middle. So, line down, walk across the middle. Line down, walk across the middle. Kind of make a mountain and then walk across the middle dotted line. Make your point and walk across the dotted line in the middle. Stay on top of those dotted lines. Let's move to the next row. Line down, walk across the middle. Line down, walk across the middle. Down, walk across the middle. Down, walk across the middle. Two more. Line down, walk across the middle. Last one. Line down, walk across the middle. Let's go to the next row. We're going to trace A and then we're going to write it all by ourselves. Line down, walk across the middle. Let's do this one. Down, walk across the middle. A line down, walk across the middle. Make sure your lines are going from the top all the way to the bottom. Line down, walk across the middle. Line down, oops, see, mine didn't go all the way. Line down and walk across the middle. Last one, we're going to go line down, and walk across the middle. All right, let's do the same thing for capital A in the next row. We're going to trace it to remember. Stay on the dotted lines. Then let's write it. A. Capital A. Line down, and walk across the middle. Line down, walk across the middle. Line down, walk across the middle. Line down, and walk across the middle. All right, now we're going to trace the word apple and write it next to it. Oops, I did it the wrong way. Start at the top and go to the bottom, top to bottom, walk across the middle. We already know how to write P, so we're going to do our tall man down and then a ball. We know how to do L, so we're going to do our L's, tall man down, and then E. Down, across. P, L, E. Now we're going to trace the sentence. Am I kind? And we have a question mark at the end because this sentence is asking a question. So let's trace am, which is a sight word, and then we're going to drop it down here. A, M. Now let's write it underneath. A, M. Now let's trace I, another sight word, capital I, and write it. And now let's do kind. K, I, N, D. And then our question mark. K, I, N, D. And our question mark. When you're all finished, you may take a picture of this and post it onto Canvas. Make sure it's nice and neat and that you did your absolute best work.